So now there are two cases of the second order reaction. First case is A which is equal to B, and the second case A is not equal to B. This is the second case. We will discuss this case at the next video, and in this video we will discuss only first case. So first case is that A which is equal to B. Then A which is equal to B, then the rate of the reaction dx over dt which is equal to k into A minus x raised to power 2. Where A minus x raised to power 2 is, it means that A minus x multiplied with A minus x, then exponent powers are added to sum up, and overall equation becomes A minus x raised to power 2. So we separate the variables. In this side, A minus x raised to power 2 is multiplied with k. When we transfer it to the another side, then it dividing by the dx. So dx over A minus x raised to power 2 which is equal to k delta t. So now we integrate this equation and we put the integration sign on both sides. So when we put the integration sign on both sides, then the answer of this integral will be 1 over A minus x which is equal to kt plus cc is the integration constant, and now we determine the value of c by the initial boundary conditions. So the initial boundary conditions are when t which is equal to 0, x which is equal to 0 put in this equation, we get the value of c. So now we put the value of c in this equation again. So we get the equation, and when we resolve this equation we get the k which is equal to 1 over t x over a into a minus x. So this is the final equations. So the unit of the k will be dm cube per mole per second. So now we will talk about the graph of the 0th, 1st, 2nd and 3rd order reactions. So when we plot concentration x versus time t, then we get a straight line. So this is a straight line and this is a slope. So this is the equation of y which is equal to mx plus c, where m is called the slope. So the slope of the first order reaction is k which is equal to x over t. This is the slope of the 0 order reaction. K which is equal to 1 over t ln a over a minus, this is the slope of the first order reaction. K which is equal to 1 over t x over a minus x, this is the slope of the second order reaction in a case when a is equal to b.